So welcome guys to Black After Effect guys. So guys, I'll be taking you on some of the trades I took to pass my phase 2 of GFT 400 account. So the first pair on this is EUGPY. This put me around 2% of my 5k account. That helped me to also pass the challenge. We can clearly see that EUGPY has been an uptrend, creating break of structures to the upside. It's clearly a break of structure to the upside. Okay, I think we should drop down to the weekly time frame. I'm going to show you what is going on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we can clearly see at this point, um, Euro GPY is in a strong bullish, massive bullish buying trend, and whatever we're going to be doing is actually water for buys, water for buys. So there's nothing much to do here. I think we should go down to the 4 hour to the daily time frame, guys. So dropping down to the daily time frame, you can clearly still see that this Euro GPY is in a strong buying trend. You can see break of structure to the upside here, break of structure to the upside, another break of structure to the upside, and break of structure to the upside, and another break of structure to the upside, break of structure to the upside here. It's another one there, another break of structure to the upside, showing that there's clearly a buying pressure coming to the market more at that time. So there's another one here, another break of structure here. After a break of structure, wait for a test to support level or at an order block and then take massive buys. And also there's a support at this level. There's a break of, sorry, rather say break of structure at that level. And we cannot clearly see this is strong by a massive bullish trend, strong massive bullish trend. So we can start marking out our support and resistance level. This is our resistance level. This is our resistance level. This is where market actually takes support from. This is also our resistance level. This is also our resistance level. And we can clearly see from this whole point here, from this whole point here, this is a strong zone to be respected. You can see there was a resistance here. The market came to this point and resisted, and we saw a selling moment to come to the market. And then so you can see market go to that level and also resist selling pressure, the selling pressure, and then you can see massive bullish impulse move, creating that break of structure at that level there. I think I should mark out the break of structure, guys. So there was a break of structure here also, guys. That was a clear break of structure, guys. So and you can see also after this break of structure, you can see this retest at the resistance, making it support level, and then you can see buying impulsive candles that create another break of structure, and then we can see retracement again and also another break of structure, again, guys. So after the break of structure, we're coming for it. This is the strongest level where market can actually take support from. This level is the strongest level. This level has been tested twice as a support level. Understand? This level has been tested twice, and the third time is coming for the whenever market takes a support level more than twice, it's kind of it's a high probability the support level, resistance level, going to be more stronger. So coming down there this is the first time it came down there. This is another one is the second time, and this is the third time, and with massive rejection, guys. Massive number of rejection, guys. Massive number of rejections. This you can see you rejected it, and also I'm not forgetting these levels here, all these levels here. But I want you to all focus at this level here. You can see taking support test first, second one taking support and creating break of structure, and coming back again to take support, and you see all this rejection candle. You can see massive selling this selling candle that's showing a weak rejection. This buying candle that you can see that a buyer starting to come into the market at that level, but with weak rejection, understand? Mostly the weak rejection to the downside. That means they're rejecting the downside actually, and then selling pressure even with a stronger weak rejection, showing that there's not enough selling pressure at that point. Then you can see buyers coming to the market, and then you can see breaking into higher highs, higher lows, and to the upside. So I want to go down to lower time frame to show you what actually took my entry. So dropping down to around the 4 hour time frame, you can see this this clear rejection here. We can see this fake out. Then we can see this support market taking support like 3 times here. You can see this second rejection, third rejection, fourth rejection. So we can see that this is more like a pattern, guys. This is more, looks more like a pattern. And also we can also spot another support level. Yeah, not support level at this point. So after all this clear rejection here at this point, all this clear rejection, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can see it created a kind of a change of character in minor structure. Understand? A change of character with the minor structure, understand, in lower time frame. So dropping down to the 1 hour time frame. I want to see clearly reducing and actually enter the trade. So dropping down to the 1 hour time frame, you can see it's kind of changing direction after this massive selling pressure here. After this massive selling pressure down to this level, you can see this rejection 4 good times, and then you can see market do a kind of a break of structure. Understand? I would say I actually call it change of character in the for the minor structures. So and also after the break of structure, we can see this retest, break of structure, and then this consolidation here to the upside. So what I waited for was I just I marked out a support level at this point. You can see market taking support here, and this is a fake out. So this more fit fit more into a pattern. So what I waited for was the breakout of the pattern around my support level, and then boom to the upside. Then my stop loss was just around 50 pips below my entry, and then this my first TP was around this point. First TP was around somewhere here. So around 1:2.5. 1:2.5. And then my second TP just around this place, which is around just around 1:5. 1:5. So guys, and that's it on Euro JPY. I'm moving on to the next pair on our list. The next pair on our list will be GBP CHF. GBP CHF. It's a strong pairs that actually made me pass the challenge, and that actually gave me a good opening to enter a trade on the challenge. So I think I should find these trades. I should find them. First of all, this is the GBP CHF. You can clearly see that GBP CHF has been on a massive downtrend from the weekly down, from the monthly, weekly down to the daily, massive downtrend. And you can clearly see here this is a support area turning to resistance. That's a level we actually want to be reserved at. This is another resistance level turning to support here. This is another one. You can also mark out that zone. Mark out that zone there. And also this is another level we'll mark out again. These are the 2 zones we'll mark out. So 2 zones we'll mark out. And we can see after market making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Sorry guys. So we can clearly see that there has been clearly more selling pressure in the market. Then after this rejection here, we can see market buying up to this resistance zone here. Then we can see massive rejection coming into market. Then we can see buyers trying to trickle up back into that level, giving us a rejection and creating a double like a kind of sorry guys, like kind of a double top formation. We all know what kind of chart patterns are. So giving us kind of like a double top formation, guys. Kind of a double top formation. This guy like a double top formation, guys. So that's one of the reasons I decided to enter the trade. But I'll have to jump onto a longer time frame to actually break the trade down. This is clearly like a double top. It's a double top. So clearly, guys, and also I mostly trade with patterns. Also, you can also see there's a trend line pattern at this point. Understand? And also this consolidation at this point. This consolidation, a massive this consolidation is actually a strong, very strong level, and you can see the selling pressure coming down to take out this consolidation here, showing that there has been a strong change in direction of the market. There are no more buyers trying to push the market up again. That any buyers coming to take the market down is going to be very futile. Understand? So I think I should drop down to the lower time frame, to the forward time frame, for you to see clearly. So guys, after market came and took out this consolidation here, creating like a change of character. Understand? Creating a change of character at this point. You can clearly see that after this consolidation was taken out. Sorry guys. After this whole consolidation stuff was taken out, we can see market will test to give us this double top formation, guys. This is a double top formation, guys. This is a double top formation, guys. So, and around our resistance level. Understand? That's only what after a change of character, wait for market to retrace back into our support or resistance level. And that's only what I waited for. So, at this point here, there's nothing much to do here than to jump to the longer time frame. This is clearly a double top formation. So I'll have to be dropping down to the 1 hour time frame. Sorry guys, this is just network issues. So dropping down to the lower time frame, you can see this clear head and shoulder pattern, guys. This is a very clear head and shoulder pattern, guys. This is a clear sign of rejection. And then we can see this consolidation here before a more selling project came into the market. So what I waited for was just this kind of this whole consolidation here. What I entered was just this whole consolidation here. So I just put my sell to. Let's put my sales around this level. Then my TP just somewhere around here. I'm gonna give my trade a kind of a breathing room, and then boom to the downside. Understand? That's 34 pips to make 89 pips. That's almost 1:3. That's almost 1:3, guys. That's almost 1:3. So that's how I actually banked well on the GBP CHF. So I think for now I have to drop down. Let me check if there's any other. Okay, guys, this is GBP AUD. GBP AUD one of the trades I took. So, but however, I won't be going into much details as of like other pairs. So, guys, we can all see that GBP AUD is on a strong massive downtrend, like massive downtrend. After this massive consolidation here that spent months consolidating here has actually broke. You can see rejection level, market taking out many number of support at this level, and then finally breaking it, and then massive selling come to market. So what I did was that I don't have to drop down to the lower time frame. I do not know, after an impulsive move, you have to see a correction for more momentum coming to the market. So what I saw was just kind of this whole consolidation here. This whole consolidation at this point. So what I did, guys, was just drop down to the 1 hour time frame. So guys, sorry guys for the network issues. So dropping down to the 1 hour time frame, I clearly saw this whole pattern here. This whole consolidation here, this whole consolidation at this point, this whole consolidation. This is more like a flag pattern. Understand? So what I did was also take my entry. I just below the support level. Support level turning to resistance. That's what I did. So just my stop loss was just somewhere close to this point. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. My stop loss was just somewhere around this point, and then my TP was just somewhere around this level. Somewhere around this level, yes. TP was just somewhere around this level. Then my stop loss was just here. So I think this is around 1:2. I banged at almost around 1:2 on this trade. 1:2 on this trade. And then I think this clearly you see here is a kind of a double top formation. I also took an entry from this point. After this break of structure here, you can see retracement causing another double top formation, guys. So what I did was just to enter at the break and retrace of this candle, and then my stop loss was just below this low here, and then massive sellers all the way to the downside. That's where I took my second entry. And also we can see that, sorry guys, you can see this kind of another form of consolidation at this point. This whole consolidation stuff, this whole stuff happening here, right here. Let your eyes be here, guys. Let your eyes be here. So this whole consolidation stuff happening here. This whole consolidation stuff happening here. You can see after this impulsive move, creating this kind of break of structure. This is clearly a break of structure, guys. That's clearly a break of structure, showing that there are more sellers coming to the market. Understand? There's still further room for more selling momentum. Then we can see that after this break of structure here, you can see kind of consolidation at this level, and then we can see another break of structure, and then the market retraces back into that resistance level, and then boom, more sellers pulling the market down to the downside. Understand? So guys, that's where I took my entry. My entry was just around this level, around the no after this break of structure, yeah. After waiting for this retracement to play out very well, we went to the after the retracement played below this support level, making it resistance. I just put my my sell two around there, my stop loss just around there, and then boom, sell was all the way downside. This is 75 pips, making 175 pips. It's almost 1 is 2.5 or something. 1 is 2 point 1 is 2.2. So guys, that's I've come to the end of my analysis on the trades I on some of the trades I took on some sorry guys, on some of the trades I took passing my phase two of my good funnel challenge. So guys, I'll be dropping more of this content back to back. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to support me, guys. Thank you guys. Until we meet on our funnel stage.